Here in LA, the paparazzi are everywhere, 24/7. You literally cannot eat a slice of cake without the paparazzi snapping you and putting you in a magazine. Luckily for us, our very good friends at TMZ have papped our boys the Sunset Dreams, leaving in a helicopter. In a style only the Sunset Dreams boys can manifest.
It's a school night party. It's your time to get naughty. It's a school night party. Everybody getting salty. It's a school night party.
I really need to stop paying that trucker bill. It cost the label $3 million just in fuel last year. Seems like a very bad investment.
Follow the biggest band in the world, Sunset Dreams.